What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another 100% honest slime review. So I have pizza dough right here from Slime Fantasies, and then I also got the garlic bread slime, the iconic garlic bread slime from Slime Fantasies. I've seen it everywhere, so I'm so excited that I finally got it for myself. I actually bought this at Slime Vegas, and I wanted her two savory scented slimes, so that is this one here. So this one here is the butter slime. It's pizza dough, and it smells really good. It actually almost smelled like pretzels to me, not like pizza dough, but I still really love this scent. It was very like yeast like. It smelled like bread. I don't know how else to explain that, but it was really nice. It smelled really salty as well, which I personally enjoyed, and I just really liked the texture. It was super doughy and a great butter slime, great for, you know, being holdable and spreadable and all that. I loved it so much. This slime has so much clay in it, so it doesn't really inflate too much, which I personally enjoy. I have to really be in the mood for an inflating slime, so I like that it didn't really inflate a lot. Next up, we have the iconic garlic bread slime from Slime Fantasies. I love the texture of this slime so much. It's a butter slime at the bottom, and then on the top, it is that garlicky snow fizz. It just looks so aesthetically pleasing and like food. It's actually making me really hungry right now. But yeah, I really love this slime. The only kind of worry that I had when I bought this slime was I was afraid the scent would be too strong and that it would like kind of stay on my hands after I'm done playing with it. However, that was definitely not the case. It did not do that, so I really love this slime. I love the texture of it. I love the way it looks even after it's mixed. It definitely still looks like garlic bread, and of course it's scented like garlic bread, which is so good. 100% honestly recommend this to y'all. And again, I really didn't have to worry about this slime inflating too much, so I didn't have to throw any of it out, because normally when a slime inflates too much, I just have to kind of throw it or find a new container, you know what I mean? Alrighty, next up is the 3 juice pouch slimes that I got from Putty Egg. I actually got these at Slime Bash Daytona. I believe this one is called Cherry Cream Soda. This one is White Peach Sangria, but I have no idea what the name of this one is. I am so sorry. It has been so long since I got these slimes. I got these months ago at Slime Bash Daytona, so I'm finally reviewing them because honestly, I forgot about them. I played with one of them, the Matcha Milk Boba, and that one was really good, and I love that one. I actually put that one on Instagram, so I'm going to show you this one now. Like I said, I don't remember what this is called. If I had to name it, I would probably call it like Malibu Sunset Juice or something like that. I don't know. But I really love this one. It literally needed no activator whatsoever, and I was completely shook with that. It has some of those tapioca pearls in there to look like boba beads. Then it also has jelly cubes in there, 2 different color jelly cubes, some yellow ones and some like orange pinkish ones, and I really love the texture of this slime so much. It is a little bit tough, however, I just think that's the type of glue that was used to make this slime, maybe, because the other 2 slimes weren't like that. So I'm thinking that it was probably just, I don't know, either a different recipe or different glue was used. Next up is the cherry cream soda. I was originally drawn to this one here because of the super realistic looking cherry charm. I was like, okay, I've never seen that. At the time, I had never seen something like that, so it was super, super cool, and I definitely wanted to get it just because of the charm. So yeah, I really love how all the slimes are sealed, and I love how they are like incorporated in the juice pouches. I think it looks super, super cool. I did test this one just to make sure it wasn't sticky, because like I said, I got these months ago, and surprise, surprise, it was a little bit sticky, but I left in the activation process for you all so you can see it didn't need much activator at all. It was just a tad bit sticky, so yeah. Once I activated this slime, I really enjoyed the texture of it. It was kind of creamy, maybe because of the top portion. I think that was probably some school glue or white glue. So it was a lot creamier than the last slime, and the jelly cubes were super cool, bright red. I love the color, and the scent was amazing as well. And the last slime is the White Peach Sangria slime. I really enjoyed this one as well. I did have to activate a little bit, but this one needed little to no activator whatsoever, so I did decide to leave the activation process in for you all as well, so that you can see, because, I don't know, it's been months, and I figured that they would be a puddle by now, but they weren't, so, you know, props to Putty Egg for that. I really love this slime. I even love how the little leaves are incorporated in there as well. However, I will say that they were a little bit tough and they kind of poke you when you squeeze the slime, so just be aware of that. I'm not super sensitive when it comes to my hands, so I, you know, wasn't bothered by it. I definitely felt it and I noticed it, but it wasn't something that actually hurt me. But other than that, I really love this slime. The color scheme is amazing. I love the scent. I love the way it looks. Everything about these juice pouches and Putty Egg slime, I love. Alrighty, y'all, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to do more 100% honest slime reviews about slime that I purchase at events, because I go to a lot of events and I purchase a lot of slime as well. So if you want to see me do reviews on those, let a brother know, because I can make that happen. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!